Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. Today we're looking at the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine, known for its larger capacity and twin tub design, versus the compact and efficient mini portable washing machine, which is perfect for smaller loads. Let's dive into their features and see which one suits your laundry needs better. The COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine offers a washing capacity of 12 pounds and a spinning capacity of 8 pounds, making it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the mini portable washing machine has a capacity of 16 liters, which is ideal for smaller items like underwear and baby clothes. If you frequently wash larger items, the COSTWAY might be your best bet, while the mini is perfect for delicate or smaller loads. When it comes to power consumption, the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine operates at 330 W for washing and 110 W for spinning, which is relatively powerful but may consume more energy. On the other hand, the mini portable washing machine is much more energy efficient, operating at just 60 W. If you are looking to save on electricity bills, the mini is the clear winner here. The COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine is bulkier and heavier, weighing 29 pounds, which might make it less portable for some users. In contrast, the mini portable washing machine is lightweight at approximately 4.9 pounds and features a foldable design, making it easy to store and transport. If portability is a priority for you, the mini is definitely the better choice. In conclusion, both washing machines have their strengths. The COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine is ideal for larger loads and offers powerful performance, while the mini portable washing machine excels in portability and energy efficiency. Consider your laundry needs and space before making a decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.